Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see vendor consignment with batch management in SAP MM S/4HANA. So we're going to use batch management for goods issue and goods result. Okay. The process I'm going to do is create material with a batch in MM01, create batch in MSC 1N, create info record in ME11, create purchase order in ME21N, and I'm going to do goods result, consignment goods result. This is consignment purchase order. And this is consignment goods receipt in MIGO and transfer of stock in MIGO and invoice in MRKO transaction. First of all, what is consignment? It is actually goods has been issued by the vendor to the company, and once the company is consuming it, it will be billed by the vendor. It will be invoiced by the vendor. But the ownership will be until the consuming of the material, the ownership will be the vendor. That is consignment. So now let's go to live system. This is my system. Let's create a material. Go to MM01. Mechanical engineering. Z. Yeah, part 10. Or let me select. This is the present. Yeah, part 10. Enter lubricant. Enter base unit of measure kgs. I'm going to buy it at kgs. Enter NE, no MR. Go to save this. Let me save this. And there is another one more specification. Let me save this. Let me take this material first. Save. This is my material. Raw material. Now I'm going to do info record slash and ME11. It's my transaction. ME11. Let me select the supplier here. Let's select the supplier here. My plant is FR10. FR10. It's my plant. Let me select this supplier. My FR10 purchase organization. Plant is FR10. Select consignment. Consignment present. Enter. Plant delivery time 1 day. Purchasing group 001. Standard quantity, minimum quantity. And let me enter the net price. 500. And you have to select the tax code here. Only then you will be able to invoice. You will be able to invoice it. I1 tax. Let me select. Let me select this. Now I have created purchase info record. Let me go to slash and ME21N. Go to 30730 is my supplier. Vendor. 30730 is my vendor. Let me enter the 30730 is my supplier. FR10 is my purchasing or purchase organization, purchasing group. I missed one thing. I haven't selected batch management. MM02, let me change it to batch. I have to select batch, FR10. The purchasing code MM02, select batch management. Let's save. I have to select this batch management in the purchasing tab. Now go to, in MM02, I did. Go to MSC1N, transaction code MSC1. Go to create batch. FR10 is my storage location. Plant is FR10. My material is this is the material which I have created it now. Go to, I'm going to select date of manufacture. 1st of May. Shelf life expiry date. All these three parameters. Shelf life expiry date. August of 1st is my SLED. And available from date is 10th of or let me 5th of May. All these three parameters, three attributes is assigned to this batch. This is the batch. Let me take a note of this batch. Batch. Now press enter and let me save this. All these three parameters are assigned to this batch. Now let me save this. Now let me go to slash and ME21. Go to create supplier purchase order. I'm going to create some purchase order. Enter the supplier. FR10 is my purchase organization, purchasing group. Let me enter the material. This is my material. This is my material. Quantity is 10 quantity. My plant is FR10. Storage location FR10. It's my storage. Press enter. And let me select the batch here. Before that, we have to select item category. K. Consignment K. Consignment purchase order. Press enter and go to your right. And let me select the batch here, which I have created it now. Come back. Now, batches for plant materials. Press enter. This is the batch which I have created it now. This is the batch. See here? This is the batch. Now, double click onto this batch and let me save this. Now, this is my purchase order. Let me take this purchase order, go to slash and MIG. Consignment, goods receipt. Goods receipt, purchase order, enter the purchase order number here. Press enter. Now, scroll down, item OK and post. Item OK and post. And post. Now, let's go to MMBE and check. Go to MMBE and let me check the material. Delete this batch and let me check it. Execute. See here, vendor consignment 10. And the batch is 376. And this batch is assigned with best before date, date of manufacture, available from date. All the three attributes has been assigned to this batch. Now, let's go to transfer posting. I'm going to consume it. This means that I'm going to consume the material. And this is the ownership of the vendor. Vendor consignment. That is the reason it is vendor consignment. Now, we are going to consume it. The company is going to consume it. Go to transfer posting. Other, let me enter the material. This is the material. This is the material. I'm going to consume it. Press enter. Enter the plant. FR10. It's my plant. Storage location. FR10. My storage location. FR10. It's my storage location. Now, let me select the batch here. Select the batch here. For this material, press enter. Go to select the batch. Same. I'm going to select the batch here also. Same batch. Same batch. To the right, scroll down, scroll up. Go to quantity, 10 quantity. 10 quantity. Where? Let me enter the vendor here. This is my vendor. Let me enter the vendor here. Let me enter the vendor here. Press enter and post. Let me post this. Post this. I've just posted it. Now, slash in. Let's come back. Let's come back and let's refresh this. It becomes company stock. Let's refresh this. Now, this vendor consignment becomes company stock. Refresh this. See here, become company stock. Vendor consignment has been gone. It's gone. Now, let's go to MRKO transaction code. Go to MRKO transaction code and invoice. And let me do the invoice verification. GB10. GB10. Let me enter the supplier. 30730. It's my supplier. Select settle. Execute. Execute. Settle. See here, document created. This is the material document. And this is the material document. And this is the invoice document. Click onto this invoice document to see the display the invoice. This is the tax. We have to pay that. This is the tax. Input tax USA. and click onto this material document and check the material document. And what is the movement time for this? 411. 411 is the movement time. Consignment is 411. See here, 411. Consignment 411 is right. See here, consignment 4. Thank you.